Hi, welcome to my channel, All Things Lex. My name is Alexis, and if you're just tuning in for the first time, thank you for watching. But if you like this video, you want to see more, please subscribe to my channel, check out my other unboxing video, and just stay tuned. So today I'm back with another unboxing, this time with the GoPro Hero 5 Black 4K action camera. Now, if you've been living under a rock or for some reason you are just unfamiliar with the GoPro line, this is probably the most compact, ultra portable, versatile little action camera that you can get at an affordable price. Now, with the Hero 6 being recently released, the price on the Hero 5 has dropped down to a very affordable $299. There are different bundles available. If you search around, you can find it with the waterproof voice-activated remote like I have here. So, I'm going to run through some specs and then we will, I'll open the box and we'll see what's inside. So first of all, like I said, this shoots video in 4K resolution at 30 frames per second. It also has a 12 megapixel camera on it for digital stills in single burst and time-lapse mode. And there is an addition of a 2-inch color LCD screen, touch screen, that the older models don't have. And you can now edit, trim, and change the settings all from the camera. And of course, you know, GoPro is all about this Quick Stories app that you download after purchasing, and I guess it just kind of edits videos for you using highlighted clips. So, very good stuff. The other specs, of course, it is Wi-Fi enabled. It has a GPS location capture. It's compatible with over 30 different GoPro accessories and mounts. So, needless to say, as a very adventurous, outdoorsy woman, this thing will be coming with me on all of my adventures for skydiving, freediving, snorkeling, racing, hiking, whatever, you name it, it's coming with me. Yeah, so let's see. Let's just open this up. I kind of accidentally destroyed the bottom of the box as I received this as a gift. So when I unwrapped it, I ripped the bottom, but here we go. Oh. Okay. And I doubt it matters, but here's the outside of the box. It shows you some of the features. This is waterproof for up to 33 feet. And as I live in Southern California, I spend 65% of my time at the beach. So this is definitely coming along with me for snorkeling and freediving. Super excited about that, but let's open it. Okay. It is mounted on a display right now, but I'll take that off in a second. So first up we have the IKEA style instruction manual with pictures and no words. Love it. Gotta love it. Stickers. Okay. And 3 different safety and instruction manuals for the camera and the remote. Okay. See if I can do this correctly. Going to open that up and push that out. Okay. We'll get to that in a minute, and the rest of the stuff in the box. Here's the remote with, I guess, the attachment, rubberized attachment for the wrist strap. And I have seen that people reuse this little plastic thing. Don't throw it away because you can mount the camera on there, and if you're just making quick videos or something, obviously it would probably help. So, continuing. Oh, shit. We have a curved adhesive adapter and a straight flat adhesive adapter, an adjustable Velcro wrist strap for this remote, probably the cutest little battery I've ever seen in my life. USB Type-C cord, and the clip for the remote, and nothing else. So I'm going to put all of that away for now and try to take this thing out. Come on, Alexis. There we go. I'm just having some issues today. It's like I've never held electronics in my life, which is just not true. Okay, it comes with the frame also, and then this is the adapter screw for all the different mounts. So that's all this stuff here. Take a picture of it, don't worry. So here's the camera. Like I said, it is ultra portable. It's lightweight, and the great thing about the Hero 5 and 6 is that it no longer requires a separate waterproof housing. It's just waterproof as is, just like this. Yeah, so we have here a power button, mode button to change from video to photo. As I mentioned, the 2-inch color LCD touchscreen. Whew, fantastic. And let's see, your battery compartment for this cute little thing. And oh, awesome. Okay. USB Type-C port goes in there for charging and connecting to your computer, and a mini HDMI port as well. So I'm super excited to receive this. Like I said, I'm very adventurous. If you check out my channel trailer, you'll see what I'm talking about. And I am just psyched to take this with me everywhere. I mean, I can just put this in my purse, you know? What other camera can you stick in a tiny bag? You can't. Not one that's going to do this. So this is just a quick unboxing video. I hope you guys like it. I will definitely review this after I take it out into some different settings and have some fun with it. So if you guys like what you see, please subscribe, like, leave nice comments or no comments. And I really appreciate the support as I try to share my love of tech and adventure with everybody. Thanks for tuning in, and I will see you next time.